Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ardor. As in my old videos, I've been showing you that Ardor formed a very huge falling wedge pattern, and this was by the way the old falling wedge pattern that we broke it out here in the month of August 2020. Then we had a very powerful pump, and the target for this breakout was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 62 cents, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. By the way, from this low to here, it was almost 3,993%, almost 4,000% pump. But at the same time, the price then also found another downtrend and resistance, a quite long-term downtrend and resistance. That was the resistance of a very big symmetrical triangle. You can see that Ardor is moving inside a very big symmetrical triangle on the monthly time frame chart. At the same time, the price then has formed another falling wedge pattern. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of April 2021. The price is moving inside this falling wedge pattern, and now the movement is quite squeezed, and therefore I'm expecting that soon it can break this falling wedge. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Ardor that I shared in the previous month of September on 4th of September 2024 with my members, and this signal produced a very massive pump of almost 88%. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Ardor that I shared on 4th of September 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that Ardor formed with Bitcoin pair on a daily time frame chart. And this was the complete trade signal, a buying zone and the sell target zone, and below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 88%, a very massive rally. And if you would like to catch such other rallies before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Ardor, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that the price line has formed another falling wedge pattern. That is a quite similar kind of move that Ardor formed from the month of July 2017 up till the month of July 2020. You can see that this was a quite long-term falling wedge pattern. We broke it out, then we had almost 4,000% rally, and this time we have formed another quite long-term falling wedge pattern. Since after the month of April 2021, it is moving inside this wedge. And almost at the same level, we also have a quite long-term resistance of a bigger symmetrical triangle as well. Therefore, this time if the price breaks out this way, then at the same time, it will be also breaking out this bigger symmetrical triangle as well. And slightly higher than the resistance of the triangle and this falling wedge pattern, we will have this very long-term and key resistance of 16 cents. You can see that this 16 cents is working as a very strong resistance for the past several months. And before that, it was working as a support here and resistance here. And for a few weeks, it had been working as a resistance here as well. Therefore, this can be the key resistance. And this time, you can see that the price line is rejected by the resistance of this triangle and by the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. For example, if the price line will be dropped more down, then it can test the support of the wedge and this triangle somewhere here, approximately at 4.3 cents. And if the price line breaks out the falling wedge pattern, then obviously it will be also breaking out the resistance of the triangle as well. And the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at 75 cents. And if we take a look at the previous history of this 75 cents, then you can see that previously it had been working as a resistance here and resistance here as well. And if the price then breaks out the triangle, then we can expect a very massive rally. And obviously when the price then will break out the wedge, then with that it will also break out this symmetrical triangle as well, and that will be the beginning of a very huge and massive rally. And the technical target for the breakout from this triangle will be here, that will be approximately at $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.